In this Lash Joy Academy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Lashologist Choice Barrier Eye Cream. So the reason why we would put this on our clients is if they had very sensitive skin, or you can actually use it at every appointment if you really want to reduce the chance of an allergic reaction or sensitivity developing. So we've got the cream, we've got a little micro swab, and I've also kept the backing paper of one of the iPads. That way we have a nice clean surface to dispense the cream onto. So I'm just going to dispense right now. So what I've dispensed right there is plenty for both eyes. You could actually get away with half that amount if you wanted. With your micro swab, just get a little bit on the wand, and then I want you to place it right at the very base of the lash line. So I have taped up here using the Kind to Skin silicone tape that's available on the Lash Joy store. That way we can get really close to the lash line without applying to the skin by accident. So you need to make sure this doesn't touch the natural lashes or the extensions. Otherwise, your lashes that you apply after application will pop off really easily. So just nice and carefully applying right on the very base. You can actually apply this right up the lid if you like. The good thing with this barrier cream is that when it heats up, it actually doesn't travel into the lash line and interfere with your retention. So that's enough. And then what I like to do next is with that 3M Kind to Skin tape is I like to place the tape right at the very base. I'll take this off. That way, if I do want to tape back the lashes, I don't need to worry about the cream getting on the lashes. So just place that right at the very bottom, just like so. And then if you did want to tape back, you can also do that as well. So that's how you apply the Lashologist Choice Barrier Eye Cream, available from the Lash Joy shop.
The winner of Best Business Performance, Lash Joy.